Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on me unboxing my Alpha brush, and this is what I ordered from Alpha brush. I will leave the description link down below, and I bought an immediate kit. It was $40. Shipping was pretty much like free, so it came with this brush right here. I'm gonna take it out for you guys to see. It's a Alpha number 4 3D brush. This is how it looks. It's like mad pointy, but you know, I don't think I would really use this brush, so I'm just gonna sit that back to the side. And then I have like a detailed Alpha brush. Also, it's like pretty much like if you want to do designs. I'm not there yet, so that's going to be set to the side also. And then I have, this is really cool. What is this? Is it used for like filing? It's really pretty, so I'm gonna have that for decoration because pink is my favorite color, as you can tell. So I have all three of these from Alpha. And then I also brought the Alpha number 8 oval Kolinsky brush, and that is what I'm going to be using today. This is how thin it looks. Very pointy, as you know, like they put some type of glue or whatever it is to keep it together. So I will be using my Mia Secret liquid monomer to break that in. I have my Dappen Dish right here. And yeah, let's just see how this Alpha brush is. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of monomer inside of the Dappen Dish because I'm not gonna use a lot to break it in. I'm gonna sit these other brushes over to the side. And first off, what I'm gonna start by doing is pressing the brush downward. Let me bring you closer, a bit different. I'm going to press the brush downward like that to break it in, so that that glue that was on there, you see that it's gone because it's not pointing no more, as you can see. And now I'm going to put this inside of the monomer. And I'm just gonna like play with it inside of the monomer and wipe it out so that it can pretty much break apart. And it's like staying together. I love this so far. Like it is staying together. I feel like it's the perfect size for a beginner. I thought it was going to be smaller because it was together, but it's actually the perfect size. I'm just playing with it so that it could be flat to pretty much break everything apart. I love this brush already just because it's just staying, all the bristles are staying together. See how flat that is? I'm just going to do it one more time. And play with it. And now your Alpha brush is broken in. The number 8 Kolinsky from Alpha, oval at that. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. And we're just gonna peace out. Bye.